Reggie. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. It's a privilege for our TVs to be an integral part of your lives. Our home entertainment vision, Sing to You, Open to All, is guiding how our TVs are becoming windows onto different experiences. With your partnership, we're continuing our OLED leadership, now in our 11th year. It's our commitment to continue to break new grounds, to push the boundaries of entertainment. One of the key technologies enabling us to provide the ultimate TV experience is perhaps, unsurprisingly, artificial intelligence, AI. AI is what drives our very own Alpha AI processor. In fact, LG is the only brand that continues to develop processors specifically for OLED, something we've been doing for 11 years now. Our acclaimed Alpha 9 AI processor, which is now in its 7th generation, is ready to push the performance of our TVs even further. So it's my privilege to introduce to you our new Alpha 11 AI processor. We have been leveraging AI for years in various forms for your viewing experience and content enjoyment. This is the next era of AI. With 4 times the performance of its predecessor, the Alpha 11 AI processor simply allows LG TVs to recognize you, understand your needs, and further personalize the experience according to your preference. Our TVs present image and sound in a manner consistent on how to perceive visual and auditory stimuli in the world around us. This brings emotional element to the viewing experience, delivering a heightened sense of realism. As our Managing Director shared, this is just one aspect on how our products connect with you. LG WebOS Smart TV Platform is another foundational pillar of what we have to offer. Last year, we marked our 10-year LG OLED leadership. And this year, we are excited to celebrate the 10th year anniversary of LG WebOS as the TV's platform leader. Since 2014, when LG WebOS first arrived, we've seen a 20-fold increase in active WebOS. Convenient navigation and discovery are the core of the WebOS experience. The refined user interface, the user experience make it easy to access what you love thanks to an AI-based understanding of viewing pattern. LG is expanding its partnership with major programmers and studios to deliver more entertainment for you across key genres. And just like WebOS, they are always evolving the way consumers input and control their TVs. WebOS has